There are lots data recovery softwares available inside the market. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the data recovery software. So if you are also searching that kind of video, you are in the right video. You have to just watch this video until the last if you really want to know about the data recovery software, which will help you to recover your lost data, or you can recover your pen drive, you can recover your SD card, or you can recover your hard disk also. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Dipesh Rai. If you're watching this video first time, do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get another new videos from my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. The first useful and the powerful data recovery software is EaseUs data recovery software. So you can use this software by purchasing. So it's also amazing data recovery software which will help you to recover your data from your micro SD card, from your pen drive, or from your hard disk also. So it's amazing data recovery software. Using this data recovery software, you will be able to recover your any kind of lost data or lost partition or lost folders from your memory card, from your pen drive, or from your hard drive. So you have to also try this software. The software name is EaseUs data recovery software. And the second powerful data recovery software is Minitool data recovery software, which will be help you to recover your data from your pen drive or your micro SD card or from your hard drive. So you can use this one for the free also, which will help you to recover up to 1 GB data. But if you want to use the pro version, then you have to purchase this software to use properly. So this is also one of the useful software. Before it was totally free of cost, but now you have to purchase this software to use to recover your data from your any kind of hard disk, from your any kind of pen drive, or from your any kind of device storage. So you can also use this powerful data recovery software, which is Minitool Powerdata recovery software. The third one also one of the useful data recovery software, which is the AnyRecover. So using the AnyRecover also you can recover your data. So you have to purchase this software to use or to recover your data from your any kind of pen drive, or from your USB drive, or from your micro SD card. So it is not the free version. So for this one you have to pay some amount. So it's also one of the powerful and useful software to recover your lost data. So it's amazing software. You can also use the AnyRecover. The fourth useful data recovery software is disk drill. So using the disk drill also you can recover your data from your pen drive, from your micro SD card. So it's too much easy to use also, but you have to purchase this software before recover your data. So if you want to recover your data from your mobile phone, from your micro SD card or pen drive, so this is also one of the useful software. So using the disk drill you can easily recover your data from your pen drive, from your micro SD card, or from your anything device. Okay, so it's too much easy to use, and you can purchase this one if you want really recover your data from your device. The fifth amazing data recovery software is Stella. So using the Stella also you can recover your data, but you have to purchase this one also. So it is not the free software. You have to purchase to use its pro version. So it's amazing software to recover your data from your lost devices. So you can recover data from your pen drive, from your micro SD card, or something else. It's amazing software to recover your data. Hoping that you get some ideas about the data recovery software from this video. There are lots of data recovery softwares, but I would recommend you these top 5 software which will help you to recover your data from your any kind of devices. So if you get some quality content or if you learn something from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on my YouTube channel. And which part did you like from the entire video? Please tell me in the comment sections which will give me some motivation, and share this video to among the people who are searching this kind of video. And I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.